Today, we're going to meet an unsung hero for whom the impossible is an everyday challenge.
My dog died, and his name was my password, so I'm gonna need to change my password.
So let's say someone spills Coke on their laptop. Do they just put some rice on it?
How do I install email? You look busy.
Why do I have to change my password again? My birthday is so secure.
Can you just make it no clicks? One click is too much.
I'm already on the VPN, but I wanna be a VIP.
How come I can't use Tinder for business communication?
Can I install Minecraft on my laptop?
Can I use it for gaming?
I know it's a company computer, but it was kind of just lying there. Can I mine crypto with this?
Hey, I got an email from this member of the royal family. Can I use MySpace for professional correspondence?
This is her story. It's a typical Monday, which means no one has read Bobbi's memo about the new...
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. Okay, have a great day.
Donna Miller.
Our NPS scores are horrible.
That's bad.
Customers are screaming at our agents. Our agents are burning out. I'm answering phones. Me?
You really shouldn't be.
I know. We need a new system. Something with AI, right?
AI is good.
But we need it like last week.
Donna doesn't do memos
Next month?
or meetings
2 months?
or email if she can help it. Otherwise, she would know
How about now?
what Bobbi knows.
It's about time.
It's a typical
let's bring it
Tuesday,
down to the end of the
which
hall.
means Craig is complicating things.
Can I bend your ear?
What's that?
We need to video enable everything. 372 conference rooms, 43 shared huddle spaces, and 212 shared desk spaces. It's a lot, I know, and super complex.
For mere mortals, maybe.
Maybe there's a simple plug-and-play option? But it needs to be easy to use, like maybe one button to join a meeting, any meeting.
Yeah.
But don't skimp on the tech, like AI and voice command would be cool. And could the camera follow me while I talk? I like to pace a lot.
Obviously, someone didn't attend Bobbi's briefing.
So AI like NVIDIA built in and pacing. Okay.
So when can you get started?
What do you think?
Craig is still confused. It's a Wednesday, and Joe's got big ideas.
Bobbi!
Great you're here.
Is it great?
My boss, our boss, has been ranting about AI.
Oh, that old thing.
We need it. Now. We want it in everything. I'm thinking AI chairs. Desk. Plant. AI plant.
You do know what AI is, right? Maybe start small.
Okay, like what?
Like put it in meetings, messaging, calling, contact center, and control hub. You know, important things.
Joe did attend the briefing, but he was busy thinking big thoughts.
You can do that?
It's done. Just click right there.
Whoa, that is gonna save me some time, Bobbi. Then we can figure out how to get AI into the coffee.
Into the coffee, Bobby.
It's an unusual Thursday. Bobbi's having a quiet lunch.
Bobbi, with everything you've rolled out,
Yeah.
how are we going to manage it all?
No one knows what Janie does,
We? What is it you do here again?
but she's very passionate about it.
Yeah, I mean, the contact center is great, but it must be complex. Are you afraid to fail, Bobbi?
You just connected 627 new spaces in the office. I mean, that has got to be a load on the system. And I do not have the boots on the ground to help you.
And you're right. AI saved me a ton of time. But where you were wrong, Bob, AI coffee.
It's like this crazy balancing act.
Not to mention all the people working from home.
Control hub.
Okay, it is a typical Thursday.
Can we remove the word moist from all the documents, like company-wide?
Hey, remember how I requested that new laptop? You had it sent to my house, but I got evicted. I live in my car. Could you get it back and have it sent here?
If someone was watching movies on their company computer, would you know?
Rice couldn't hurt is my point. Rice couldn't hurt, right?
So I know we just reset my password.
I wrote something important on a Post-it the other day, but I can't find it. Do you think it's in the cloud?
Can I put moist into the company mission statement?
If you know an unsung IT hero, give them a high five, pat on the back, and maybe some space.
Got a little drunk last night at the bar, gave my password to some dudes.
Let's say your dog might have left a little surprise on your laptop. What would you do about that?
I wrote my password on a very secure Post-it, but I can't find it.
Hey, I was just tying my shoe. Now I gotta do the right one.